Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Deleting an old email address is a vital step for enhancing your online security in 2025. It significantly reduces your digital footprint, protecting you from potential data breaches and unwanted spam. A cluttered inbox often means more vulnerabilities, so cleaning up brings a valuable sense of digital peace. This full guide will walk you through the essential steps, ensuring a smooth and secure deletion process. Let's make your online life safer, starting now. Before initiating any deletion, it is crucial to back up all essential emails, contacts, and important files you wish to keep. Next, update your email address on every online account and subscription linked to the one you plan to close. This prevents being locked out of other services. Finally, double-check that your new recovery email or phone number is active and entirely correct. Taking these steps ensures a smooth transition and avoids any future complications. Begin by logging into your email account via a web browser, as deletion options are often not available within mobile apps. Once logged in, navigate directly to your account settings or privacy section, typically found in your profile menu. Here, you will need to locate an option such as Close Account, Delete Account, or another phrase indicating permanent removal. Follow the clear on-screen prompts carefully, which usually include several confirmation steps, to finalize the process securely. While the general steps are similar, the exact deletion path varies significantly across email providers in 2025. For example, deleting a Gmail address often means closing your entire Google account, impacting YouTube, Drive, and other linked services. Conversely, Outlook and Yahoo usually provide more direct options to close only the email service, leaving other Microsoft or Yahoo accounts untouched. Always review the specific instructions from your provider to avoid unintended account closures and ensure a precise deletion. Understand that email deletion is usually a permanent and irreversible action once the grace period has passed. Most providers offer a short window, typically around 30 days, during which you can still recover your account if you change your mind. After this period, the address is permanently removed. Confirm the deletion by trying to log in and ensure you have updated all remaining linked accounts with your new email. Stay secure by keeping your digital footprint tidy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.